Hello friends! Today we will prepare a chocolate pie. We crack the first 5 eggs. Add sugar 2 eggs.
Now mix well with a mixer.
Add a little flour to this mass.
Add yeast and the vanilla sugar to the resulting dough and mix.
Next we take the 3 apples and slice them.
Pour the dough into the mold.
Place the apples on top of the dough.
We put our pie in the oven at 180 degrees for 40-45 minutes. Take the finished pie out of the oven and let it cool.
Our chocolate pie is ready.
First, we finally chop the cucumber.
We divide cherry tomatoes into 2.
Grind the Bulgarian paper. We open the outside of the avocado and clean it.
We divide the avocado into 2 and grind it.
Add olives and the muslins.
Then add dill and parsley. Add salad leaves.
Squeeze lemon juice into the sauce. Add olive oil. Pinch of salt. 1 tablespoon of honey. Then add the sauce to the salad and mix.
We put it on a beautiful plate.